police officers came in, numbering about 20 of them who came to the house. Some were armed, about 10 of them in uniform, armed, and another 10 of them who were in civilian were not armed. Upon greeting them, one of the officers who introduced himself as the commander of that battalion informed me that I was a person of interest and there are issues which they would want me to respond to, and therefore they asked me to accompany them to the police station. But before we proceeded, I asked them, what have I committed, which crime have I committed? And as per the law and also the constitution, I needed to be informed of any crime or of any offense that I've committed. And then he told me that I will be informed once we proceed. And he also cautioned me, if I be cooperative, we will drive to the police station. But if I don't cooperate with them, they could handcuff me. So I told them I have no problem. I proceeded. We proceeded. We went outside my gate. I found out that there were 2 motor vehicles, the Land Cruisers, which were parked, which also had about 5 police officers outside. In total, there were about 25 police officers. Then I entered the Land Cruiser. They drove me to Nyamira police station, where they took me at around 10:45 in the night. And once they took me, I tried to inquire also what was my offense. At that particular time, they did not inform me, but they told me that they'd been instructed to arrest me and also put me in the cells. After a while, they put me in the cells in the Nyamira police station cells, and I stayed there until around 1 a.m. in the morning, when they called me and told me to go and record a statement. So I proceeded to record a statement, and among the issues they were asking me is that yesterday I had attended an event at Shillong Sports Grounds, where there was a ceremony of graduates who had completed their studies in vocational and training colleges, and I was given an opportunity to greet people, and which I did greet people, and I also gave my speech, and I did not talk about anybody. Thereafter, I left, and then outside the venue, as it has been, I met some of my supporters who stopped me. I had a brief chat with them, and then I proceeded to Sulu, where I spent the rest of the day, where I had a meeting with some few friends and also some few grassroots leaders from West Mugrango. So I recorded my statement at around 1 a.m. to around 2 a.m. Then thereafter they told me that they will consider releasing me on condition that I will adhere to the instructions which they would want to give later. Then I told them I have no problem. They released me, and this morning at around 3 a.m. I was free. So I tried to inquire in a nutshell which offense I had committed. There was no offense. I was only told that I was mobilizing youths to come out in large numbers so that they can protest today.